You may want to welcome students to your course, make announcements about various due dates and projects, or comment on your students' overall performance related to their work. A news item can help with all of those, since students see the news area every time they enter your D2L course. Upon entering any D2L course, you land on what is called the Course Home page. Within that page, you'll see the news area. Click the drop-down next to the word News and select New News Item. Type in your news headline. I'll write Welcome to the course, and then move into the Content area to type in your message. I'll just paste a pre-created message into my Content area and click Publish. That's all there is to creating a simple news item. If you click the Course Home link in the nav bar, you'll see your news item within the news area now. You may also want to edit a news item. Let's explore some editing options of the D2L HTML editor for adjusting this news item. Next to your headline, click the drop-down and choose Edit. Even though this editor isn't as robust as Microsoft Word, notice that you can use bold, italics, underline, etc. You do want to be careful in adding emphasis via text formatting, as assistive technologies may not read the formatting aloud. You can add emphasis with words such as important : or note : before the information that needs to stand out in order to create equal access. If you have major sections in your message, you can click within the title of that section and add a heading label. This will again help students using assistive technology to better understand and navigate the news item. I'll click on the first line and make it a heading level 1 or H1. Next, I'll put my cursor on the course and book lines and click the paragraph choice to make them heading level 2s or H2s. You'll probably notice that heading labels help everyone to better understand and navigate the information. Depending on the size of your screen, you may have extra tools hidden within the Show All Components button, pictured with an ellipsis. I'll click it to view all available HTML editor tools. Next, I'll demonstrate adding an image within this message. First, find an image of a course textbook on a website. Right-click on the image and choose Copy Image. Then go back to the content of your news item, right-click and choose Paste. Click the image and drag the corner boxes to resize it. When inserting images, you'll need to be sure that you use sufficient alternative text. The accessibility checker doesn't flag the image, but I don't trust that the copy and paste brought sufficient alt text with it. I'll open the HTML source editor, which looks like angle brackets with a / between them. Next, I'll hold down Control and tap F for a quick search. I'll type Alt equals to find the image alt text. As I suspected, image result for 978 blah 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 is not going to help someone who cannot see the image to understand the content of the image. I'll just replace that text with cover of Teachers Discovering Computers book. Last, I'll click Save. Take a little time to explore some of the other editing options, such as bulleted lists or tables. Once you're finished, click the blue Update button where you once saw Publish. There may be times where you want to delete a news item. Click the drop-down next to the news headline and click Delete. I'm not going to make that choice since I want to keep this welcome message, so I'll choose No on the confirmation pop-up. We hope you are comfortable with creating, editing, and deleting a news item. We'll do a bit more with news items later in this course.